Hello gorgeous, welcome to Hot For Me. Here I share my garden with you, different herbs and how I use them, food I make, easy and simple recipes, and how I'm training my puppy Cupcake. If you find something that is hot for you, use it, share it and enjoy it. Remember to hit the subscribe button. Hello and welcome to my channel Hot For Me. My name is Ernestine and I'm rebuilding my garden, which behind my Wendy house, a very small space, to turn it into my own little veggie garden. To pick and choose from for veggies, and I'm sharing it with you. And if you have ideas that will help me do it better, faster, please share it in the comment box below. And I'm enjoying this project and turning an extremely small space into my own little Walmart or Pick and Pay. And today I'm going to share with you how I make pots with stands for my peas that I want to grow. I've got some wire on the ground that I'm going to cut to make stands for my peas to go up against, and I'm going to use these buckets. Let me show you. I've already done one. Now I'm going to do two more. I've put 3 bricks on the side because those wires fly up and slice your hand like a blade. So I'm going to complete that and then I will show you the finished product, because it's quite a sight when I'm busy doing it. I'm just using these pliers. This is where it sliced my hand with the first one. So I suppose I can wear gloves, but somehow it can't seem to work well with gloves. And I'll show you when it's done. These, and I think it's a wire cutter. It works far better. I've sliced 2 pieces. I'm gonna zoom in and see if you can see. If you find something like this in your garage or in your little workshop, this works a whole lot better than a pair of pliers. The Cupcake is right there ready to help with this mission. This specific one I count down 5 little holes and I cut down the 5th one as the perfect measurement for those specific buckets. I'm putting my foot down because it jumps up and it slices your hand or whatever. That went a lot faster than my first try, so definitely if you have one of those pliers, try that instead. I'm quickly going to put it together and show you when it's done and then do the next one. Okay, now I tie the bottom like this make a little loop, then hook one thing in, then pull it through. I'm sure there are better ways. This is how I'm doing it. If you know of a better way, please tell everyone in the comment box below. You will be of great help to someone. And then I squash it flat. Then I do the other end. You see, it's going to fit in perfectly. Now I do this end and then I tie the whole lot down. I fit it in and I put a piece of wood or iron to keep it up straight and strengthen it. The holes are nice and big. I can pick my peas anywhere, and I'm putting 5 seeds in at a time. I've never done this. This is a tester. So once I'm done, I'll show you. Okay, so let me show you the end result. This is how I did it at the back, and I think it's perfect for peas. It doesn't have to be perfect for anything else. So now I'm fitting it in. You see, it's still locked down. It's still locked down with us, and you're not going to find anything to buy. This is what I found in my storeroom, in my little shack. This is a palm leaf. When I cut them, I lay them down like this and let the leaves rot down. And this is quite hard. This is quite hard. So I'm going to use this as a bowl to keep this straight up. I'm sure you can weave it through, but I'm going to just use more wire and put it up. But for now, I'm just going to let it stand like this and pour in the soil. This soil is mixed with baking soda and Epsom salt. So I'm just pouring this in here. And I want it on that side. Maybe I should weave it through. Okay. Okay, so you get it? You see what this is all about? And once it's done, I'll show it. Once I'm complete, fill it up with soil, I'll show it to you. Just zoom in a little bit. Give you a closer look. It must work. There is no way it cannot work. And if it doesn't work, I'll make another plan. I'll see. You may slip and you may slide. Let your smile be your inner guide.